What makes Inspirit Way pretty much unique is that it is this synthesis of working with different strands. Uh, but these strands can be worked together or separately, and it makes no difference. So you could use two of them, or all three, or just one of them, and you still get real positive outcomes. So if you want to just work, say, for example, on spiritual unity, you would, for spiritual development, you can just focus on that. But if you feel that you also got some issues, psychological issues you want to work on, you can combine that and do spiritual unity groups and have one-to-one sessions. Um, and what a lot of people also do, they like the way I teach, and they like the different focus on the personal development with spiritual unity, which is just full on spirituality and mainly meditation, and Qigong, which has got some spirituality, has got some meditation, but also has got a lot of the movement and cultivation of your energy, and benefits your fitness. So people will do often the both, or they have a choice to do one strand and then move on to another strand. So that's one unique way that gives you that versatility. The other thing that I think is unique is that they all stem from a similar, very similar premise, if not the identical premise, which is trying to really find what it is that can improve the quality of your life. And and that's the main thing, whether because it changes your inner terrain, or whether it helps you change your life in a practical sense, then you have some tools and resources you can use to do that.